Snow actually stuck up here. Shit. Oh, this might not be good. Might not be good. May have left a little too early. Well, here we are in Oregon City. Early February. Oh boy, I might be in trouble. Damn it. I'm gonna pull off here. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Does look wet though. Should be okay. Oops. Crazy, but that's how it goes. I mean, it's not really like that slow. I need to go to the supermarket here, so. I think turning is like the main concern. We're still ready. I don't know, it's the first time I've ridden a motorcycle in the snow. So let's just try not to drop it here. I like this parking spot here. Hopefully this shit's gonna melt and go away. My hands are nice, warm, and toasty. Whew. I'm not gonna lie, my adrenaline's pumping. Go in here and get some breakfast and some creamer and get my ass to work. I got the goods at Safeway. It's gonna activate my ABS. It's not as slick as like I think it is, but oh, fuck, this parking lot's messed up. follow the most tracks here. I think as long as I keep the bike upright, I'll be good. And we're gonna get out of this stuff real quick because back down the hill, it's not like this, it's just wet. Should just stay off the front brake altogether. I need to loosen up. Come on now. It's good practice for my ventures this coming year. You never know when you might get caught in some conditions like this. I know the best thing to do is just be stopped and probably get some coffee or whatever, but I know once we go down the road a little bit, this is all gonna dissipate away real quick. Got my heated grips mounted just in time. I think my tire pressure is around it's around 26 or 27 right now. It's all gone. All gone. So I didn't make it to the 600-mile mark over the weekend. We did do some good riding, and I'm gonna have some videos of that. If you guys haven't seen I did one walk around video of the BMW 310, which No Fault has for sale right now, and I did another video on a 2019 Triumph 1050 Speed Triple. Oof, that thing is a beast. So, if you guys haven't seen any of those videos, they might be popping up on the screen right now, right here. So, it's pretty chilly though. It's pretty chilly. Man, this back brake works so good. Just sucks the whole bike down. Not used to having such a good back brake on a bike. See, it's gonna turn into a nice, beautiful, sunny day. That's why I wanted to ride today. I watch the weather pretty close. But this little snowstorm, I mean, it was so nice yesterday, although it was cold yesterday when we were riding, but it was super nice and sunny yesterday, and then we wake up to snow. But when I leave in the morning, there's like nobody here. Now look at this place, it's like a madhouse. It's a police right there, unmarked. couldn't answer it because I have my hand tied to the clutch. Whoa, car, don't go, please. Thank you. Oh, there's oil all over the road right here. Wow. That's gasoline, I can smell it. Jesus Christ, somebody spilled gasoline all over the freaking road. Oh my goodness. That stuff's worse than the snow. Get out of here. Yeah, baby. Woo! Little venture on your way to work, baby. This was a disaster last Friday. My hands are cold. I need some bark busters. The inside of my hands are nice and toasty, but the outside is like freaking frostbite. They got shit fucked up over here. A lot of construction going on here, and a lot of people pissed off because they cut all the trees down. I guess they're planting new trees, so it was in the plans. God. Kidding me? CB500X, baby. Putting it down in P-Town. That's what I'm talking about. Well, we are just about to our destination. So until next time, folks, Oregon motorcycle. Hey, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. We got a lot of subs lately, which is really cool. I appreciate all that. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you know, if I get to 1,000 subs, maybe my channel will get monetized, and maybe I can get more accessories, and maybe I can go more places if that happens. So until next time, Oregon motorcycle.